How many times did I pray you'd find me? How many wishes on a star, gazing off into the dark, dreaming I'd see your face, safe at home and afraid, captured in your embrace. So many times when my heart was broken, visions of you would keep me strong. You were with me all along, guiding my every step. You are all that I am, and I'll never forget. It was you who first believed in all that I was made to be. It was you looking in my eyes.